Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about a massage table. But in this form, I'm using the massage table more as a palpation for my DPT physical therapy school. So let's go ahead and open this up. Once we get it out of the box, it comes with a few things, but we have it closed up and it comes with a nice little bag on it, and also to the handles of this table is really convenient. So you could do this as a one-person job to open it, or in this sense, it is a two-person job to open up this table because this table is pretty big. So we take this off, take off the sleeve. This is how it looks. It comes in the color black. It's very cushiony. But on the side to open this table, it comes with two little latches. So the first thing you do, unlatch these. And it opens up just like this. Before we open the table completely up top, it comes with a few accessories. So it comes with two arm rests so that your arms are comfortably on the side. And it also comes with a headrest as well, so you can put your head in between, which is really nice. So it comes with another headrest so you can put your face on it. But the table originally comes with another face hole so you can go ahead and breathe. And it also comes with a little platform too, so you can put your arms down in front of you if you don't want to put them on the side of you. So let's go ahead and open up this table completely. So you completely open it just like a regular table. And once you're ready to flip this over, just like this, push it down, make sure it's sturdy, and it is capable of holding body weight. So let's go ahead, test it out, and let's do some few palpations. Alright you guys, so I have here my patients already. So you can do this as a regular massage for massage therapists, but for me, for physical therapy school, we are looking at touching our spinal cord and also our cervical, which is our neck. So in this sense, Aaron is face down completely. He is able to breathe. We have just him on the table completely prone, which is a little bit easier for him, and it also a little bit easier for me. So they come online in different colors, very cushiony, and it also comes great and compact and space saving. So go ahead, give it a try.